Hello guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send and receive files using Google Drive. Google Drive is one of the tools that Google creates that digital marketers and the people use to store, receive, and send files online securely. So you have files like video, images, documents, different things. You can store it on your Google Drive. You can send and receive it on your Google Drive. For example, if you're a video editor and you have clients in other countries, they will not need to send their videos, their recorded unedited video in the drive and send the drive to you. So they must have to communicate with you online. And Google Drive is one of the best tools that you can use for free. So for more information, you can visit my website where I have written a detailed step-by-step article that discuss this. So the link to the website is pasted in the description of this video. So let's get started to show you step by step using my computer screen how you can send, store, and transfer files using Google Drive. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. Welcome. As I promised you in the introduction of this video, I told you that if you can check the description of this video, you'll see a link to my detailed step-by-step article where I wrote about how you can send, store, and receive files using Google Drive. And this is the article. It's like 5 to 6 minutes to read, and it will show you the screenshot, short videos on how you can use Google Drive to send and transfer files with your friends, with your clients, with your partners, and anybody who you want to share your file with. Google Drive is one of the tools that Google created to help digital marketers to have their files transferred online securely. One thing about Google Drive is that it is free. So you can transfer your videos for free, you can transfer your unedited picture to your graphic designer for free. And importantly, it is secure and it is private. So let me introduce you to the video that if you upload your files on Google Drive, you can feel free to copy the link and simply send the link to the person who you want to have an access to the file. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. Let's type Google Drive on our web browser. The first thing that come up is this. This is Google Drive, and I'm going to visit it. So these are files that I have on my Google Drives presently. You can see they'll give us 15 gig, and this 15 gig storage is going to be shared with your email, with your Google Docs, with your Google Sheets, and Google Files. So once you have logged into the Google Drive website, this is their website, drive.google.com. Then you click new here. Then you can select the type of file that you want to upload on the Google Drive account for storage. It is after the storage that you enable people to be able to get access to the file. So first of all, let us upload file on our Google Drive first. So if it is a file that you have, you can click file upload here. If it is a folder you want to upload a folder, you can click here. If you want to upload a document, a sheet, a slides, a form, and more are here: drawings, maps, Google Sites, scripts, etc. So for here, I'm going to upload file. So let me click file upload, and I will open my machine storage in order to be able to select the file which I want to upload to my Google Drive storage. So these are the files I have here let me upload this one, Fast Noah's logo, and I'll click open. It is an image saved in PNG file. You can see it. So note about this name, Fast Noah's logo. Then I'll click open. You can see it is uploading now. One item is uploading, and successfully it has uploaded. So the next thing I'll do is I'll click recent in order to be able to see recent files that I have uploaded on my Google Drive. And here is the recent files I uploaded, Fast Noah's logo.png. So for you to be able to share these files with people, you need to click here and follow the procedure that will come afterward. So briefly, this is the Fast Noah's logo, and anywhere you are in the world you can access it once you can be able to log into your Google Drive account. You can use other people's computer, you can use other people's internet anywhere in the world, securely and freely. So for me to be able to share it, this is the step 2 now. Step 1 is being done, which is storing of files on a Google Drive. So I've stored the file already, so let me go to share it or to transfer it. If you click these 3 parallel dots here at the front of the file, we provided with more information, and this is the information. If you want to share it, you click share. If you want to view file information, if you want to trash the file is here. If you want to download the file, and if you want to open the file directly, you can do it from here. So I'm going to share it. So if you copy the link here, this is the link of the file. Then you send it to anybody which you want to get access to the site, to the file. For example, here I open a new tab, then I can paste it here. So this is the link to the file which I just uploaded on my Google Drive account. So this file, this link here, anybody that gets the link can be able to view it and download it. So it is not secure. For example, if you want to send it to your client to edit it for you, you send the link to him or her, be able to edit it, download it on his machine and edit it with any software which they use to edit. And mistakenly, if he or she send the link to another person, that person can be also able to view, edit and download the file. So it is not secure. So if you want it to secure, then you follow the next step which I'm going to show you, and this is it. If you click these 3 parallel dots, then you click this share. You click this share here, and you'll be provided with advanced information. Share Fast Noah's logo. You can add people here. So for the people which we have shared our files with in the past, these are their email addresses. So you can click it here, the email address will be added. So these are the email addresses of the people which we have shared our files with in the past. So this is it. General access is here. This is the place where you can give access to the people who will be able to edit and download your file. So for now it is restricted by default, so I'm going to click anyone with the link. So that means that anybody on the internet with the link can view and download it. So viewers of this file can see comments and suggestions and everything. And this is the link once again. If you click it, you have copied it already. And when you are done, you clearly say done. So that link is there already. So people can be able to view access to it. For example, this is the link. Let me paste it here, and this is it. And once you enter, it will redirect you to the file where you can be able to view it and download it. So this is the icon to download it. If you click download, it will be downloaded on your machine. So let me go back to the Google Drive account to show you how you can restrict a file on your Google Drive. Restricting a file means it is anybody who you add their email address on your Google Drive account that they should have access to the file, that can be able to have access to the file as you intend. So let us go to do that. So click share here again, and if you come here, you select restricted. So restricted, and you enter their email address here. So this is the email address of the person who I want to send this file to. It is only this person that can be able to view and edit it. So they can edit, they can comment, they can view. So this is it. I'll enter the message. So it is for you only. So this person can see the comments or the message attached to the document. Send. So the person is now being notified by Google that someone has given him access to be able to edit the files on the Google Drive account. So let us go to the email address. So this is the Gmail account. So here it is, item shared with you. So you can see, so Google has sent a mail to this person right away. If you entered 20 email addresses of people during your restriction of a file on your Google Drive account, Google will make sure that it will at once notify those people via their email address. And this is it. I see Arazak Yahya and has shared the following item with you. This is the message. It is for you only. So that message has entered is here. You can see that I did this for me. Don't share it with anybody. Add my logo to it. Add this one for me. You don't need to send additional message to that person again. Google has made life easier for everyone. And there's one article I wrote on my website recently, and it is titled Top Tools that Google created to help digital marketers to grow their business. So if you haven't read that article yet, I advise you to read it. It is one of the best articles that you should read as a marketer. It will introduce to you top Google tools that Google created for people to use to improve their daily lives in terms of digital marketing. So you can check the description of this video. I will surely paste the link in the description for you to view. So this is it. So, and this is the file. If you click open, it will open the file immediately. So this is it. This is the account that we want to have, that we want that person to have access to our Google Drive file. And this is the account which we transferred the file from. See. So if you click right here, these 3 parallel dots, then you see download here. You see details. You can see everything. So let me click download. Then the file is being downloaded on my machine. So this is it, Fastnowa's logo.png. So you can view it in your folder. You can open it directly, etc. So let me view it in my folder. So in my folder, this is it. It is just being downloaded, 11:33 a.m. and it is it. You can share videos, you can share documents, you can share everything. For example, if you move from one country to another and you are snapping pictures in that country, you can send those pictures to your sponsor via Google Drive for free, and it is secure. One thing about it is that many people can access it. You can send it to your boss, you can send it to your client to edit it for you, you can send it to your lover to view it, you can do anything that you want with it, and that is how Google Drive is been helpful to people and digital marketers. So I hope this video has helped you. If you know that it has helped you, please share it, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, give it a like and comment with any question you have to ask via the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself and goodbye. For more step-by-step video guide like this, please visit www.fastnoas.com or visit YouTube channel and type Fast Noas or Abrazak Yahya. That is my name. You'll find more guides like this. So keep pushing. I want you to succeed in digital marketing. That is why I'm pushing out all these videos.